Hello guys, in this video let's try SQL filters. So we will create subscription S1. It will be a SQL filter with user property city is equal to Mumbai. That means this subscription S1 will accept only those messages for which user property city is equal to Mumbai is provided. Then we will send below message to the topic and will also provide user property city is equal to Mumbai. That means this message should get delivered to S1. And SQL filters, they work with percentage in clause, that is normal SQL operators. As of now, in this tutorial we will only check it for equality operator. I am in Azure portal. I have opened this first topic, and if you go down, see there are no subscription in this topic. So let's create subscription S1 with SQL filter from Visual Studio. We are in Visual Studio. I have created this console app, that is SQL filter study, and we are in program.cs file. So we have first installed the required NuGet package, then we have this connection string to connect to that topic, and then topic name under which we will create this subscription S1, and we have created this admin client. Okay, so guys, we are now well aware about this part of the code. Now let's simply create this subscription S1 using this admin client. So I will say where S1 details is equal to new, create subscription options. To this let's provide topic name and then subscription name, that is S1 in this case. Okay, now let's create that SQL filter rule. So I'll say where SQL rule is equal to new, create rule options. To this let's specify the name, that is SQL rule. Then I'll say new SQL filter, and here simply provide that condition. So I'll say city is equal to Mumbai. That's it. And finally let's create this subscription S1. So I'll say await, I'll say admin client dot create subscription async, and to this let's provide S1 details and then SQL rule. That's it guys. So let's save, let's add a debugger on line number 20 and let's run. So our debugger has been hit, that means subscription S1 must have been created. So let's cross check. So I'll simply refresh under this topic and see this S1 has been created, and let's open it and see if the filter condition is there. So go down, see SQL rule, and if I open it, see it says SQL filter city is equal to Mumbai. And now let's actually cross check if message gets delivered to S1 by actually sending the message with user property city is equal to Mumbai. So again I will go to this topic, Service Bus Explorer. Now send messages. So we'll send this message, but I will also add user property city. So broker properties, let's go down, let's expand custom properties, let's add custom property. I'll say city, and here I will provide value as Mumbai, and let's send it. So message sent, let's check if it's there in S1. So again go to overview, let's go down, S1, see message count is 1 in S1. Let's open S1, Service Bus Explorer. Now pick from start, and if I open this, see you can see this message name Harshal, city Mumbai. And if I go to message properties, see we can see city is equal to Mumbai.